Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from TN Expert. In this video, we'll learn the affinity diagramming technique for requirement gathering. Step 1 is brainstorm and record. Everyone writes one idea per sticky note. For a school app, we might have show homework deadlines, message the teacher, view lunch menu, and check grades. Step 2 is sort into groups. Without much talking, we move notes that feel related next to each other. Grades and homework feel similar, while messaging and lunch feel different. Step 3 is create header cards. We name each group based on the relationship we see. For example, academic tracking, communication, and school services. Step 4 is draw the diagram. We outline each group so the big picture becomes clear and easy to discuss. Why use affinity diagramming? It simplifies complexity, helps the team agree, and can reveal missing categories. Here's a quick summary of the steps and their goals. That's the affinity diagramming technique. It turns a messy list of ideas into clear, organized categories. Thanks for watching.